So it seemed in that last problem, number 7a, we just added and subtracted 2 pi, and we landed on exactly the same spot as 5 pi over 4, because 2 pi is a complete revolution around the unit circle, and you will always land where you started. However, this problem asks for one positive and one negative coterminal. And if I simply add and subtract 2 pi, add and subtract 2 pi, I'm going to get a negative coterminal, but I won't reach a positive coterminal because this is more negative than 2 pi. In fact, 2 goes into 11 5 times, so this is negative 5.5 pi's. So it's a little trickier. Let's go ahead and try adding 2 pi and see what happens. We have negative 11 pi over 2. And in fact, let's look at where that would land. We would have our initial. This is pi over 2. This is, we'll say 2 pi over 2. It's just pi. This one would be 6 pi. Is that true? 6 pi over 2. No, that's not true. 3 pi over 2. This is just 3 pi over 2, sorry. And this is going to be 4 pi over 2. That's 2 pi. So where we are is, now we're at 4 pi over 2. Now we're at 8 pi over 2. 9 pi over 2.